This month, we are spotlighting Lunar New Year for our Feature Friday. In Lunar New Year celebrations, dumplings symbolize wealth and prosperity for the coming year. Today, we will go through how to prepare the dumplings. These dumplings are vegetarian and contain no meat. Let's get started. In preparing to cook the dumplings, place a pan liner into a 4-inch hotel pan. Coat the pan liner with cooking spray to avoid the dumplings from sticking to the surface during the cooking process. Pour out 1 bag of dumplings into the hotel pan. Spread the dumplings out across the hotel pan for even cooking. If some dumplings are stuck together, gently try to separate them, but if they don't easily come apart, leave them to cook stuck together. Measure out 1 cup of water and pour it into the hotel pan. Finally, cover the hotel pan with a large piece of aluminum foil. Take care to tightly seal the foil to the hotel pan by curling it under the pan edge and crimping closed. It is important that there are no rips or tears in the foil to allow the dumplings to steam during the cooking process. Place the covered hotel pans in a preheated 350-degree oven. Cook the dumplings for 20 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To prepare the sauce for the dumplings, measure out equal parts of water and thawed teriyaki sauce. Then whisk the ingredients together well to combine. Place 2-ounce portion cups on a half-sheet pan. 35 cups fit on 1 half-sheet tray. Pour 1 ounce of sauce into each cup. Store cups under refrigeration until service. This sauce can be prepared while the dumplings are cooking or in advance. If the cups are prepared in advance of service, store cups in the freezer. Thaw the cups prior to serving with the dumplings. After the dumplings have cooked about 20 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove them from the oven. Use caution to peel back a corner of foil from the hotel pan and avoid hot steam that will escape. Insert the probe into the thickest part of a dumpling to gain an accurate reading and record the temperature in the log. Once the dumplings have reached the proper temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the foil from the pan. Add 1/2 cup of the prepared sauce to each hotel pan. Use a spatula to gently toss the dumplings with the sauce. The sauce will help the dumplings not stick together prior to assembling the entree for service. Hold the dumplings covered in a warmer prior to service. When you are ready to boat up the dumpling entree, transfer 1 pan of cooked dumplings and 1 pan of sauce to the service line. We will use a 2-pound boat for this entree. For elementary and middle schools, portion out 4 dumplings into each boat. Options and high schools should portion out 6 dumplings into each boat. Top each boat with a sauce cup. Boat up the dumplings just prior to service to avoid them drying out. Should you need to work ahead, wrap each pan of boats with plastic wrap until service time. There is a maximum hold time of 30 minutes for this item. We are excited to serve this meal to our students. Please let your supervisor know if you have any questions.